everybody, welcome back. Today I'm at Serenity Skate Park in Lake Elsinore, Marietta, right on the border there. Past couple days, I received a package in the mail from DAWON Song. DAWON Song is a professional skateboarder. He's been skating as long as I have. Very technical. Here's a clip. So yeah, the dude's just awesome, man. Just a cool guy all the way around. Always been instrumental in skateboarding and the progression, just like Tony Hawk. The videos used to be him and Rodney Mullen, the first freestyler, amazing skateboarder, and DAWON versus Rodney were the videos. But with that being said, DAWON sent me something. We'll get into that in a little bit. But first, this almost 50-year-old Southern California native is going to try to skate. And I hope, knock on, I don't break anything. Gonna hit this bowl in a second too. I don't think I'm gonna be dropping in on it today though. Not yet at least. Maybe I will. I gotta get somebody else here because the last time I did it, I got the bright idea. Oh geez, let's see. To video, I was down there. Actually, I will go in there and video. Let's go down. Try to, I think my face track's on, so hold on. Trying to get my balance back. Yeah, at my age, your equilibrium gets all shifted, but all right, I'm getting ready. There's some dude watching me on his electric bike, but with that being said, I'm gonna go in the bowl. There's a kid on an electric bike. I feel like he's waiting for me to fall, but okay, I'm gonna try something. Now, truth be told, I don't skate every day. Now, for this one, I'm going to take off my watch because I've broken plenty of watches. So, okay. I have yet, here goes the electric bike boy. I have yet to try this bowl. First attempt, take my phone out of my pocket because I would like to keep this too. First attempt in the bowl. Oh boy, here we go. It's been a while. Yeah. I would say like riding a bike, but a little bit more like riding a skateboard. Trapped. Dude, I gotta tell you that was kind of scary. Let me try a different clip. All right, ready for this? Kind of winded. Now we've almost got the lead. Woo! Try that one more time. Woo. I want to go front side, but back side's going to be it for today. Catch my breath. All right. Thank you, Lord, for keeping me in one piece. Scooter boy just appeared, but with that being said, I think I'm gonna do one more straight to the top. That was the run I just did. And there's the bowl. And I'm winded. Takes a lot out of an old guy like me. I do better at walking around pointing out graves, which I'm probably closer to getting into on my own, but not doing any fake shots this time, not doing any setup grinds or flip tricks. Oh man. Okay, hold on. So at my age, what my mind and my body have what my body and mind have in mind for me are two separate things. I look at this place and look. My mind still thinks like, what trick I want to do that? 360 flip that? Grind that? Do the stairs? But my body's like, do it and see what happens. So I am cautious. And that's what I love about watching DAWON still on Instagram. Check them out. DAWON song. Pro skateboarder. Owns Thank You Skateboards. That brings me to my next thing. So that brings me to the next part of our video. This box. I don't want to litter. Just got this from DAWON. Talked to him. Glad to say he's actually on my Instagram. Instagram same as my YouTube channel, Kayvon432K. He does this really cool artwork on his old skateboards, which I'll show you. He asked me, what do I want on the skateboard? And I told him, I said, you know, he does, oh, I'm sorry, I gotta go back. He does dinosaurs with paint pens, but he taps them. He does a whole piece. And he said, well, what would you like? What type of dinosaur? Right away, I thought of Disneyland train, and the fight scene. I've just loved that dinosaur scene as a kid my whole life. It's always been rattling around in my head. But without further ado, let's take a look. I opened this, but I haven't peeked at what DAWON has created. Oh, cool. A couple extra goodies in here. T-shirt and stuff. And he did not disappoint. Let me show you this. I'm going to take it out of the bag. Don't want to lose that. Thank you, DAWON. And here it is, the fight scene. So awesome. What a great job. And signed by DAWON himself right here. So thank you, DAWON. You nailed it. And this one was tough. There's a lot of story behind it on him getting this to me. Him and I know the trials and tribulations, but I love it. This will be hanging in my house at home. You can see on the back, it was used. That's the fight scene from Disneyland. Freaking love it. So cool. He also threw in a tech deck for my fingers, so I don't get hurt myself. And his company, like I said, is Thank You Skateboards. Very appropriate. I'll crack this out, show you what I got. Thank you, DAWON again. You have to do that. Company's thank you. And it's with like the Toontown Disneyland. That's really awesome. I love it. I will be rocking that, especially on my next trip. Maybe in Florida. I'll be heading out to Florida soon. So that's what I got from DAWON. Follow him. Go to Thank You Skateboards. Purchase something from the guy. Good guy all around, man. Support small business. He's not that small of a business, and he's very well known. One of the greatest skateboarders of all time. And with that being said, thank you for watching as always. Send me a comment. I know I shouldn't be skateboarding, I'm too old. Maybe just cruising or maybe a boosted board, but thank you, DAWON. Again, I love it. It's gonna hang in my house. Great art piece. Check out DAWON's song, check out his Instagram, check out his company, check out Thank You Skateboards. And with that being said, please consider subscribing. Got some videos coming up, heading out east, Not sure where yet, but I will see you next time. It's hard to say I'll see you next time when the Osmo goes into face track mode, because as I try to see you next time, he follows me. But I think I can follow him. Let's see if he's like an owl. He is, look how far. Okay, see you next time. Whoa, he's still going. What the heck? That's 180. All right, I'm out of here. So I just wanted to share too, this is the process. This is DAWON's Instagram, and this is what he does with his used skateboards. And then he does the art pieces too. So I'll put his links all in the description. His skateboard company, and just, guys, just remarkable the stuff he comes up with, the tricks he comes up with, very innovative. And then he gets to the art piece, and this is cool. Just this process of the paint pens and putting these things together so quickly. I'm highly impressed. The guy's uber talented. Thanks for watching.